Steven. Happy birthday.
Ibang trip to.
Jun, happy birthday.
Load.
Bad trip.
Thank you.
Gag.
Ano
Loading pa din
mag-crouch?
ako.
Blow.
Uy, ano
Blow.
to?
Diba?
Why you
Na-loading pa rin ako. GG. Loading.
Sa toilet.
I'm putting the cake right here.
Ano to? Oh my god, pwede ko siyang kunin.
Oh no, don't eat it. What the fuck?
Anong LNB to drug?
Babalik ko to sa'yo. Ba't ang daming... Ba't
Oh,
ang daming
wow.
toilet
May lalabas
dito?
na ulo dyan.
Gagi ko ito.
Oh my
Stretch yung
God.
kamay.
Yung mouse, hata kami yung mouse. Palayo. What the fuck's going on your
What in
video?
the world?
What is happening?
Wala.
What the dog?
Why, what's up?
Scared, bro.
It's famous style.
Let's go,
It's a
Jun.
We're here.
new variation of
Ba?
apple. I have an apple.
Paano mag-pick up ng thing?
Eat, eat,
Uh,
eat up. Eat up.
the fuck do I? IF?
Matignan niyo yung hawak ko, ma.
Bro, how?
Guys, help us fix the car, bro.
Eat up, eat up.
Dahil? I don't know how to, bro.
Why is your arm so illuminated?
Let me feed. Force feed.
Why is everyone... Why are you guys...
Sabi
Out
gulong.
of here. Ano ba nangyayari? Ba't ganda na yung tsura ng kotse?
I don't know. Tignan mo, dito sila nahulog. Yung dalawa.
Ano bullshit, bro?
Galing.
Gagi, pag nahulog ka dyan, well.
Come again, go.
Let's go jump in. Wait, Jun! Here?
Ito.
Need a spoiler, bro.
Ayan.
Doors. Doors, Jun, grab the door.
Holy cow.
What's this?
Yes, get back to work.
Ayan.
Haba ng kamay.
Ano to? What is this?
Beep, beep.
Saan ba to? Saan ba dapat to?
We don't
Beep,
got
beep.
Okay, weld natin yan. Lagay natin. Weld.
What the fuck kind of car is this?
Be, make upan kita, be. Dito kayo, bilis.
One of a kind. Okay? One of a kind.
Christine,
Go.
Hello, yes.
punta ka rito.
Oh, what the fuck? What the
Trying to
fuck?
put you.
Ay, nalo ko ba? Oops, my bad.
Me.
My bad, my bad.
Bata kami.
Yan. Ay,
Stop.
May ano pala
Lagyan kita
siya.
blush
May damage
on.
pala siya.
thank you so much.
May damage pala siya. Whoops.
Ba't pa sa baba?
Whoa. You're getting spray
Tan
tanned.
to, tan.
Ano to?
Your hand so long, man.
What is this, bro? I'm gonna smack you with this.
No, 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 no.
Oh, what?
Ano eh. Pati man lang pumana.
Most fucked up.
Ano to? Para sa to?
What?
Most fucked up car.
Ano to?
Bro, what is this car? Hello, you're gonna waste. Come on, guys. The car.
Hello.
Wait,
Bouncy.
Let me in. Oh fuck, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Good.
Oh.
It's so cramped.
Uy, be, wait lang.
What? Daming
Ano
bullshit
ba
sa
dito sa taas? Ah, dito ako.
Sikat, sikat.
Si Kyle, be.
Huwag niyo ko iwanan.
Holy shit, ano ko?
Ba't bigla akong nasa loob? Dati namatay ako.
Kaya,
Oh, ala, nagkatapin drip siya. Anong ginawa namin sa'yo?
Car's broken, bro.
Nangyari sa kanya, be.
Ba?
Shit, the door is stuck.
Ang bullshit ng car na to.
Wait,
Steven.
Ayan, nandito siya sa amin.
Oh my god. And, tingin naman yun. Ay!
why is the car
Anong sarap?
Walang papasok.
Nangyay sa kotse.
Walang papasok.
Ang sama!
Ano yung gas?
Uy, sira na yung
Oh
shield
my God.
natin.
I want to know.
Walang magde-drive, guys. Uy, ba't wala nang bubong?
What?
What?
Grabe.
Ayan, para open.
Mamahalin na yung ano natin, yung kotse.
Totoo.
Wala na. Walang hood.
Guys. Sira.
Christine! No! 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 Christine! 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 What are you doing? Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Stop.
Banggain niya si June.
Wait, how can I drive again?
Passenger please.
Bubong. Di ba ka na?
I can see shit!
June?
Oh my God.
Car sucks. I can't see.
Where's shit?
Where's June?
Naman na si Jude.
Ay,
Naman na si Jude.
Liwanag na. Ay, muna. No.
Wait, who keeps... Bro, huwag kang ipapark, pinapark niya eh.
guys. Bagal ko. Ayan.
Okay, Jerry. Si Jumong, nasaan si Jumong? Hindi ko nakita si Jumong.
Uy! 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 And then airplane. Woo!
I can see shit, bro. Jun, I can see. I can see. I Jun.
Andiyan pa.
I can't see shit.
You slow as hell, boy. You slow as hell.
Ayan na siya.
Put that flag, Jun. Put that flag. Jun. Where is Jun?
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Ba't lumulutang yung upuan ni ano?
Check natin.
You drive with
Yung si Jun nakapas ng tirasan.
Uy.
Put that. Yung ano, yung handle na wala eh. Tinanggal mo dun eh.
Laki na last.
Uy. Oh my God.
Sinasira yung kotse niya.
Ano na?
Gara niya te ayaw. Alis na pa rito.
Pasayot mo eh!
Oh my God,
my God, I'm getting excited, bro.
Ano to? Ay, anong apple? Uy! Uy! Uy!
Ay, Christina!
Uy!
Move! There's someone who's sitting at the table.
Andito siya.
What is Steve doing? Oh no, oh no. No!
Ito lang ba yan?
Binatumba yung poste bilog.
Uy!
I'm getting muted, bro.
This is my grandpa car, bro.
Help.
Hey,
Ah,
hey. Oh my God. You strong as hell.
Bro, look what I got. You blind box. You're jiggling.
Balik natin yung gulong gang.
Dude, what happened? Your seat. Where did our seat go?
My seat.
Saan ba yung... Okay.
Maybe
We really need this.
Oh!
Put it back.
Scheisse.
Ano, seryoso
Uy.
na ba? Ayusin na ba
Yeah,
natin?
seriously na. Get on the seat.
Bro.
Sige, hanapin ko yung gulong. Tinapon ko sa
ito
malayo.
yung gulong mo. Ito yung gulong mo.
Saan yung isang seat? Bro.
Ayaw niya
Yung years
magpakuha.
natin.
Ito yung gulong.
Kinuha mo yung gulong ng bike. Hindi naman yung gulong ng kotse eh. Ay, sorry.
Ay, aray ko.
Get you?
Ay!
Get you?
Popokpokin kita eh. Uy.
Sabat ah. Sabat. Oh, bro. Oh.
By the way, few miles
my
pala na
God.
pupuntahan natin. Ganito na yung kotse. Siguro hindi na naglakad na lang tayo.
Huwag na ako hampasin.
Ano nangyayari?
Go, Jun. Go, Jun.
Bro, let
Wala ako sa driver's seat. Ito naman yan.
Uy, nasa na yung isang na to?
Sorry, speaking up, bro.
Uy, saan nyo nilagay yun na to? Yung seat belt?
Just that!
Move. Give me the hand.
Dito na yung mekaniko natin. Ito mo, inaayos niya na yung kotse natin.
Sirahan na.
Inaayos niya nga. Siya ba
Ay!
yung kotse natin? Sorry na.
Ay! Putang ina!
Market.
Oh, you're dead. You're dead.
I'm dead.
Wala.
Yo.
Tara, go na tayo. I think ayos na yung kotse natin.
Steven!
I think ayos na yung kotse natin, guys. Hindi sakay na tayo.
Sakay na.
I think,
Bro,
ayos
it's levitating, bro.
Hindi talaga natin makita yung isang seat, bro.
Wait lang. Eh, tumis ka nga dyan, Christine, para malagay kong seat.
Sino ba nagtapo ng seat? Ay!
Tumatouch ng mga seat.
Who's pushing?
Uy! Uy!
Pushing.
Ano nangyari?
Ito! What are you Oh.
I got muted in Roblox, bro.
Goodness news.
Let's take a picture of the car, guys. Yan, dyan lang kayo. Stay.
What's up, bro?
Stay. Ship.
Eh.
Ano?
Wait.
Bumper. Yeah, guys. Go there, guys.
At tumaanda rin sa sakyan, be.
Huwag ka mag-isa pa man. Ay.
Oh my god. Okay. GG's, guys.
Oh my god, this is not the other seat.